Now the next step is actually building or visualizing your report. Okay, so go to the top tab, this bars and graphs which is showing, where you see the model view and table and all that. Yeah, go to the top one, report. Yeah, here now you can start building your reports. Okay, so here you can start building your report. Now what you can do is click on a visualization. So I'll show you one very simple thing. Select text box, go to insert, go to insert on top, on the ribbon, on the top ribbon, text box. Let's add a title first. Yeah, now click on the under a text box, add some title. You can say executive summary, something. And you can just elongate it so that it's like a title of the report. Okay, maybe font you can keep whatever you want, make it bold or up to you. And in the format text box, okay, over there on the right side. No, go to that in the, you see format over there. Okay, go to effects under that format next to data, which has opened up. Right, more right next to filters. Yeah, click on the effects, click that and turn it off. Okay, just so that it doesn't highlight the background. And you can resize and do all of that things to work one line, but this is how you can put a title. Now, one quick report you can actually build right now. Okay, select line chart. From the fields pane, select line chart. Yes. Okay, now you have a basic, you can say a window of a line chart which Power BI has given you. And now you can actually build a line chart over here. Now from the fields pane, okay, from that fields which you see over there, drag the sales amount. Sales amount should be under sales. Yeah, drag the sales amount to on the report somewhere. Okay. Now by default, Power BI will put it shows like a column chart, but it's obviously not correct right now. Now go and drag the month field from the fiscal hierarchy which you have created. Go to the table view or that model view. For people who already have that fiscal hierarchy, drag it in the column chart. In the month field, just take the month field and drop it in the column chart.
Yeah, in properties.
Go to properties on the left. Yeah,
Yeah.
just add. First add quarter also. Fiscal quarter. And make that before month. Just refresh it.
I think he has not saved the file. I think you need to save the file because the untitled Power BI in written. I am getting the result. Like
Okay, yeah, you're right. I mean, just save, but although it should take happen, but yeah, just save it just in case. Although it should reflect over there. Did anybody get the chart? Yeah, good. This is the one. Okay. So you dragged the sales amount, right? And you dragged the month.
Yeah.
Right. So this is how I mean, by default, Power BI will actually make a column chart for you. Okay, by default. Okay, now in that fields view, field section of that visualization, just click on that visualization. No, click on the chart which you have created. Yeah. Uh, go to the x-axis, see the x-axis on the right in that pane, in the visualizations pane. Do you see that x-axis?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So in the x-axis, remove the fiscal year and fiscal quarter. Just, yeah, remove it. Yeah. So now it is much more better to see, okay, because it's now done it by month and you don't see the year and quarter separately. So now it is just by your dates. All right. Now, one more thing you can do, in the visualization pane, I mean, keep
Yeah.
highlighting this chart. Click on
Yes.
area chart. Click on area chart. It's somewhere on the top two lines. So now you've had a area chart here. Okay. So we'll do a couple of more things, but this is just a general idea which I was trying to show you. You can select a visual, you can drag and drop fields. Okay. By default, Power BI will make sense and make something for you. But then you have to go into the visualization and make all of these changes. Okay. So you can play around like as a